Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to disable chat notifications on Instagram. Today, we will guide you through the steps to achieve this on your Android device. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Look for your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on it. Next, tap the three lines located at the top right of the screen to access the settings menu. Once you're in the settings menu, find and tap on Notifications. This will bring up a new list of options. From there, tap on Messages. Now, you will see a section labeled Broadcast Channel Messages. Tap on it to select the option Off. This will disable chat notifications for Instagram messages on your device, and there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily turn off chat notifications on Instagram and enjoy a more peaceful browsing experience. We hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.